Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which immersion blender to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. An immersion blender is a very handy appliance to have in your kitchen. It can be useful for a variety of different food applications, such as blending soups into smooth purees, herbs and nuts for pesto, fresh or canned tomatoes for sauces or salsa, and it's also good at blending fruit smoothies. Without a doubt, this handheld tool makes countless tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. But with hundreds of options to choose from out there, it can get overwhelming to choose the specific brand and model for you. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The immersion blenders that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number one position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help navigate through the video. The immersion blender coming in at number 5 on our list is the Braun MultiQuick 7-hand blender. The Braun MultiQuick 7-hand blender is a wonderful stainless steel immersion blender that can provide you with all kinds of surfaces such as cutting, chopping, blending and whisking. This immersion blender is easy to use and requires little to no effort in handling. The team was impressed with how the height of the blade adjusts to the height of the food you're blending, which makes blending more secure while helping in preventing splatters. It also features a narrow bell-shaped guard that has no vents, so you won't have to stop the blender to remove the food that can get wrapped around the vents. A wonderful feature that the team was impressed with is this blender's variable speed button that allows you to control the blender's power by applying more pressure on the button. There is no predefined settings, just follow your intuition for the results you want. Push gently for coarse and roughly chopped results and increase the push button for more power and finer results. With their patented active blade technology, a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, resulting in 250% more active cutting surface, was incredibly helpful in making cutting jobs quicker, easier, and more efficient. This blender also has an extra milling blade to provide more slices per rotation, blending large pieces and hard ingredients more easily. The team found that even the hardest foods to blend stood no chance against this blender's 500-watt motor. This blender also has advanced splash control technology that prevents splashing and delivers best blending results to keep you and your kitchen clean. Overall, the Braun MultiQuick 7-hand blender is a quality immersion blender. The team recommends this blender to people who are looking for a powerful blender that is also easy to handle and control. The immersion blender coming in at number 4 on our list is the All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender. The All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender is an immersion blender that is most impressive for its offering of portability, rechargeability, and high performance. Although it has a bulky end that might not fit into smaller containers, it makes up for it with its 600-watt powered blender. Because of this, the team found that this is an extremely high-powered immersion blender that was able to effortlessly blend some of the hardest foods we could throw at it. Aside from this, the All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender is also compatible with most containers, and you will find that because of its cordless nature, it is easy enough to get those hard-to-reach spots in pots. However, do take note, we don't recommend using this blender in non-stick or cast iron pans. This blender offers a variable 5-speed setting, so you'll have complete control over the texture of your refried beans, soups, or pureed vegetables. You can even use this for a quick chop of nuts, since the blade shroud gives you plenty of space. The team was also delighted to find it has a safety lock feature, designed for additional safekeeping when not in use. This blender may be one of the easiest immersion blenders to clean, since there's no cord to worry about and the stainless steel shaft easily removes from the body of the blender. The shaft and the blades are also dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about protecting the motor from water or hand washing, yet another reason to recommend this blender. It comes with a recharging base that doubles as upright storage housing. It also offers fast charging for quick recharging and long runtime up to 9 minutes. the All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender offers the high performance of a premium corded immersion blender without the inconvenience of a cord, and that's why we think it deserves a spot on our top 5 list. The immersion blender coming in at number 3 on our list is the Cuisinart Smart Stick. The Cuisinart Smart Stick is a wonderful choice for all cooking lovers. The blender possesses all the important tools that are essential for cooking. With this blender, you can be confident when using deep bowls and pots with its 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft. Blending soups, chopping vegetables, and making healthy smoothies will also become a simple process thanks to its 300-watt DC motor. Aside from this, the team was also impressed with its variable speed control function that lets you control the speed of your immersion blender. Whether you're blending tomatoes for pasta or chopping nuts for a coarse paste, you are sure to be able to find the right amount of power to get your food to your desired texture and consistency. This blender's specialized design also supports safe handling. You can rest easy knowing this will reduce the risk of yourself sustaining kitchen injuries. This blender is also a very attractive choice for people with toddlers in their home, since it comes with a safety lock button for safekeeping when the immersion blender is not in use. You will also be glad to hear that this blender is capable of functioning on continuous blending and pulse modes as well. Lastly, this blender also has an additional 3-cup grinder attachment for all your grinding needs. The Cuisinart Smart Stick meets all our expectations for a great immersion blender. We recommend this for people who want a versatile and durable immersion blender that provides high performance and safety features as well. The immersion blender coming in at number 2 on our list is the KitchenAid 2-Speed Hand Blender. The KitchenAid 2-Speed Hand Blender is an immersion blender that can provide you with all services including cutting, chopping, blending, and whisking. The team found this immersion hand blender to be incredibly easy to use. It has a soft grip handle that offers a non-slip and comfortable grip while blending, making it easy on your hands. Moreover, the lightweight build comes with a sleek body and stainless steel shaft. The shaft is 8 inches long, allowing you to blend in deep bowls either in the counter or on the stove. For fans of colourful things, you'll be glad to hear that the KitchenAid 2-Speed Hand Blender comes in over 12 colours available in Aqua Sky, Blue Fog, Cranberry, Empire Red, Guava Glaze, Ice, Lavender, Majestic Yellow, Pink, Pistachio, Tangerine, and Ink Blue finish. You are sure to love this immersion blender as soon as you lay your eyes on it. Moreover, this blender comes with a removable blending arm that makes cleaning easier. Its 3-cup BPA-free blending jar is also great for individual blending jobs, either to serve now or serve later. Furthermore, its blade is durable and dishwasher safe. You can use this immersion hand blender for all your cooking tasks. It is good enough for your smoothies, whipping creams, omelets, meringues, soups, salsas, and even baby foods. Lastly, it gives you complete liberty to select the blending speed between 2 intensities, either high or low. The team recommends this blender for people who love colourful and fun immersion blenders without compromising function, all while staying at an affordable price point. That is why we think this immersion blender deserves the spot number 2 on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 immersion blender on our list, the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender is a versatile, powerful, and efficient immersion blender that anyone would be lucky enough to add to their kitchen arsenal. With an ergonomically optimized handle designed to fit your hand comfortably, trigger operation keeps your hand in a neutral position for more stability and control. Its soft touch finish makes sure it's easy on your hand, even when it's hard on your food. The team found that this immersion blender is built with high quality materials. Both the blending shaft and the ice crushing blades are made of stainless steel, ensuring durability. Its blade system has internal ribs that create turbulence. This unique system makes sure the food falls onto the blades, reducing suction to the bottom of the pot. The team was also impressed with the bottom of the blender, which had a non-scratch base to prevent it from scratching your non-stick pots. It also gives you the capability to precisely control the texture of your food with 15 variable speeds. Its 8-inch immersion depth means you can blend directly in the pot for less mess and more convenience. No more transferring soups from the pot to the food processor and back. Adding to that, the blender is especially well equipped for making soups because the blending cup accessory can hold up to 42 ounces of liquid, including a handle to protect your hands from hot liquids, and an anti-slip mat to hold it in place during blending. Lastly, the team was impressed that this blender is extremely convenient to clean as well. Its parts can easily be hand washed, and most of it can be washed in the dishwasher on the top shelf as well, making cleanup quick and easy. For serious home cooks looking to add powerful, efficient and versatile immersion blender to their kitchen, the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender and our top 1 recommendation on our list. And there you have it folks, the 5 immersion blenders that got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next immersion blender roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.